Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ajit Rathore, and in this video we'll see the Excel function Counta. So let's see what does it do. This function counts the number of numeric or text entries in a list. The Counta function counts cells containing any type of information, including error values and empty text. For example, if the range contains a formula that returns an empty string, the counter function counts that value as well. The counter function does not count any empty cells. It completely ignores the blanks. So the main difference between count and counter is count function contains only the numbers, the cells that contains numbers, only it counts the numbers. However, the counter can contains text as well, formula error as well, text as well. So this is the main difference between count and counter. Okay, now let's talk about syntax. We have to type the counter formula, and in a bracket we have to provide the range which needs to be counted. Simple, right? Formatting, no special formatting is needed for counter function. So now let's see with an example. Okay, so we have taken this table as an example. So herein I have three columns, first, second and third. So we need to count the entries in these three columns. So this here we need to get a result. So if you see the first row, there are three numbers. Second row we have 2 numbers and 1 0. Then third, again we have three numbers, two positive, one negative. We have date, we have time. In one cell we have time value in decimals, we have blank, we have text, and we have formula error. So let's see formula counter formula, what and all it considers. So let's apply the formula. So is equal to, type count, you will get all the formulas starting from count. Now select the whichever you want. So we are using here counter, so select counter and press tab. So we got the formula. Now we have to provide the range, right? So let's select the range from G4 to E4. Okay, now press enter. So we have entered formula, and then we have provided the range of column E, F, G, and we got the result as in 3. So let's copy this formula to all the below cells. Okay, so we got the result. So now if you see, we have seen in count function, it ignores dates, it ignores even like text, it ignores even formula error, it ignores even blank, right? But here we have only this two. It has ignored only blank. It has considered anything which is non-blank, like 0, minus, negative number, date, time, decimals, text, formula error. So it has considered everything. So this is what counter function does. So the main difference between count and counter is counter function ignores only the blanks. It considers all the non-blank cells. However, count function can consider only numbers. Okay, so I have another table here. So in this I have just taken all the entries normally we might have in any of the cells. So we will have numbers, then we will have decimals, values and decimals, we'll have true false result as formula result, then we might have error, we might have date, we might have time, we might have text, and we might have blank. Okay, so these are the possible entries in each cells, right? So let's apply the formula, what and all it considers is equal to count, and select the formula, tab, and provide the range. So we are providing from blank till last, and close the bracket and press enter. So we got the result of 9. So how many cells we have? So we were supposed to count 10 cells here. However, one was blank. This is blank, so it has not considered this blank cell, and it has considered the remaining all cells irrespective of whatever the data in it is. So that's it about counter function. It's very simple but very useful in day-to-day activities. So that's it in this video. I hope you all like this video and found it useful. Also, if you are liking this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and please click on the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I come up with new Excel tips video. Thank you and have a nice video.